Also, let's talk about some other useful methods you can do with tuples. For example, let's create a tuple with some letters. Let's comment this for letter use. For example, let's say my tuple and say equals to A, then P, and then P again, and then it says L, and say SE. If we want to get the length of the tuple, we can just print then the length. So we print this, we can have 5. Of course, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you want to count the elements in the tuple, we just use the count method. You can just print my tuple, then dot count. You see, we have the count here, then we count how many, for example, let's say A's do we have inside this tuple. Let's go ahead and save this and try to run it here. We see that we have 1 A, and let's say how many P's do we have here. Save this. See, we have 2